Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by checking cables and power to find simple problems first. Inspect the HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA cable, ends for bent pins or frays. Confirm the monitor power cable is fully seated and plugged into a working outlet. Do a 15-second power cycle by unplugging the monitor and waiting. Reconnect and turn the monitor back on to see if the black screen stops. If the screen still goes black, proceed to check sleep settings and video drivers. If diagnosis suggests hardware, swap cables using a known good HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Test the monitor on a different computer or connect a different monitor to the same computer. This isolates whether the display or computer is failing. Reseat the GPU or integrated video connector by powering down and removing, then reinstalling it carefully. Update the monitor firmware if the manufacturer provides a 1.0.0 or higher firmware download. Consider replacing the monitor if persistent backlight or panel failures appear. On the operating system, update or reinstall the graphics driver from the GPU maker. If problems began after an update, roll back to the previous driver version carefully. Open power options and set the display sleep to never temporarily for testing or to 15 minutes for normal use. Disable fast startup and test whether the black screen persists after a full shutdown. Use safe mode or a clean boot to determine whether background apps or services cause the interruption. Re-enable services one by one to find the offending program.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.